Hey there, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be walking you through installing our new Wix app, Bundles Pro, setting up your first product bundle, and displaying Amazon-style frequently bought together offers on your Wix store. Before we begin, make sure the Wix Stores app is installed on your site, since Bundle Pro needs Wix Stores to work properly. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix App Market, search for Bundles Pro, and install the app. Once installed, you'll be able to locate it under your managed apps. Once installation is complete, add the Bundle Pro plugin to your product page by clicking on the plugin icon, so the bundle widget can appear on your live store. Let's wait for this to load and locate the Bundle Pro plugin. Add that to your product page. With the app installed and the plugin in place, you're ready to create your first offer. So let's head over to the app code. Let's go to the Bundle Pro dashboard, head over to the offers tab and create our first offer. Start by giving your bundle a name. So let's name this frequently bought together. This is the name that will appear on your website and also help you identify the offer later. Next, select the trigger product. This is the product that will display the bundle on its product page. Let's select Artisan DL. Then choose the product you want to recommend alongside the trigger product. You can have multiple of these selected. For now, let's just select one. These items will appear in the bundle widget, making it easy for customers to add all the products in the bundle together to their cart. The widget will automatically match your website design, so it blends seamlessly with your store. And once everything looks good here, we can click on Save Offer. Now that your offer is ready, let's see how it appears on the editor. Click on Preview. Here, you're able to preview the widget now in the preview mode and in the edit mode. And to test it out, we will head over to the product page on the live website. And here the customer will be able to see the bundle widget showing the recommended products, individual prices, the combined total, and an add to cart button. Let's just test this out. Adding this to cart. As you can see, both the products get added to cart and the customer is able to see it. The customer is able to check out products. If you're on the Pro plan, you can also visit the overview page to track how your bundles are performing. There you'll find detailed analytics, the option to filter data by date, and the ability to export reports as a CSV for further analysis. These insights make it easy to monitor results and optimize your bundle offers over time. And that's it. Your product bundles are now live and ready to help increase cross sells and boost your average order value. Have any questions, need assistance, or have feedback and additional feature requests, please reach out to us through our website. Happy selling.